What's up guys, Dave here again. Today I'm going to be installing the Phastek Sequential turn signal module kit. Let me see right here, just received it, and you know, if you haven't seen these things, go on Phastek and look for these up, or on the internet too. There's different types of sequential tail lights out there and everything. These are basic ones. And if you don't know what a sequential tail light is, they've been around for years. And so first off, I'm going to take and set the camera down and show you what the tail lights look when you step on the brakes and stuff like that, in stock form. So let me get my camera set up here, and then we'll take and show you that. So to install these, what we have to do is we have to come over here and you got to take and pry up these little clips right here, or plugs. They're kind of a locking plug. So let's take and usually use a trim removal tool, but I don't happen to have one, so just easy to, they should pop up pretty easy. So you can see here, get them to come up a little bit, and they just pop up and they unlock. Okay, so I got that one plugged in, and we do undo the from your turn signal bulb here. You unplug that, and then the plug goes in between the two. So I'm going to show you over here, unplugging this one. You can get in here. So you can unplug that. Off your bulb back there. So now that you got this up and out. Alright, let me get my camera. So here I got the plug and the smaller one. It's gonna fit right here. Let's make sure I got the right direction. So it just pushes in. And then the larger plug and just push it in until that snaps on. So now we're all hooked up. Let's set up the camera again and see what the turn signal stuff looks like now.
Red rum.